Lord, it's unbelievable how much time and effort we have put into this so far, and I have been potentate about 10 minutes. I was sure we would be here tonight after, I wasn't sure we were going to be here tonight after doing table assignments 2 nights ago at the house. I mean, it was a very rough night, I can tell you that. Yeah, who sits with who? Who sits with who?
Yeah.
So, anyway, the Mass Installation Sunday, hope I'll see you all there. Lori, can you join me up here, please?
All right, Lori.
Bag and the phone. Thank you, Lori. I have big shoes to follow after following Mark and all the other potentates that have been here so far. It's been a great thing, but presenting Susie, last year presenting Susie with a 7-carat bracelet was actually not in my budget. So, but I'm not going to send Lori home empty-handed. So, the bag, please. I got 8 carats. But there's more to this. There's more to this. I can't give her carrots without giving her celery and onions, because that way we can make a mirepoix when we get home. Oh, but there is actually something else in this bag.
Oh.
And I'll let you open this.
Dude, don't do it. Don't do it.
You better open it now, Laura.
Open it.
I'm gonna be 9.
Open it. Open it.
No, no.
Do you need carrots?
It actually is from Tiffany's.
Yes, of course it is.
To recognize the box.
You guys recognize the box? I would have no idea what the box looked like until it showed up.
I even recognize the box.
It's gotta be a beautiful bracelet.
We'll get it.
Our recorder's out of order. He said not an engagement ring. Yeah, our recorder's out of order. He may not be a recorder next week.
Very beautiful. Thank you.
Promise? But wait.
And we also have this nice bouquet of flowers for you. Give these to you.
Yeah, thank you.